Hey guys, welcome back to Texas Mommy. My name is Amanda if you've never seen me before. Today I was going to be going with y'all my opening of my Birchboxes. I am so super excited. I've never gotten Birchbox before, so if you're interested, just continue watching. Okay, so I bet you're wondering, how did she get 2 boxes instead of 1? Well, when I signed up, I went ahead and went with the special that was you buy one, you get one sent to you for free. So I do not know which one is which. They just are both my 2 boxes. So we're gonna start, I guess, with opening this one. Okay, so now that I opened the first box, let's go ahead and go into our box. And drop it because I'm retarded, but hey, continuing on. Okay, so when we open the box, it has this little note right here. As you can see, it says feed your, and it has 3 individuals, so it's feed your mind, body, and soul. And then on the back of here, it tells me the products I got and how much the full size of them are. And then it also has down here 20% off anything you've ever sampled. So as you can see here, pretty much this is a little mousse that you can see right here, which yeah, I'm pretty sure my hair needs it because it's kind of flat. Let's see, then we also right here have this butter lip balm and this cute little packaging right here. So let's put you through. Oh, this is so cute. Look how little this is, and it is this cute pink and white. I don't know if you can see the white right here in it, guys. But it is so adorable. I actually have lipstick on right now, so I cannot try this out. But this is just so adorable. An exfoliating cleanser enriched with papaya, microcrystals, and aloe. And look, this is little bitty. It is so adorable, guys. I love these little products. They're just so cute. And then we have this liquid eyeliner black, which I always only wear black eyeliner, so I love that they gave me this one. It says it has a precise smudge-proof pitch black. Oh, let's see. You can see here, this is very pointy, so this will be very easy to put on, and I love black eyeliner. If you did not see my quick get ready with me, I will link it up here in the corner. And this is one of my go-tos for my makeup when I have like less than 10 minutes to get ready. And then we also have this BB Cream Golden Glow. I love glow for your skin, the moisturizer kind of glows. So this, it says right here too, you know, it is a skin enhancer. And it says you're gonna apply this on your face when it's clean, and it can be worn alone or as a makeup base. So this, I love this, so I'm so excited to be using this right here. So for my first box, with my 5 things, let's see if my hands can hold everything. We got this 5 things right here. Sorry guys, my hands apparently are not big enough to hold everything. So this is everything I got right here. So on to, let's close this box and open our second box. So here is, I'm assuming this is my extra one because it is have a pink lid, and my actual first box did have this pretty flower lid. So I'm assuming this is my extra one. So let's see what is in here. So another cute little note, and it says, it's double the beauty fun with these sweet surprises. Starting to feel inspired, it tells me to go to their website. So you can see here, this came with it, and oh my gosh, this is, okay, so cool. So this is a congested skin serum. So this is a spot soothing gel designed to diminish blemishes and calm inflammation without causing dryness or irritation. So that is awesome, and it is So cool. I love this. And then Forever Smooth Cream with heat protection. Progressively straightens curls with every use. So my hair is actually straight. So I will probably actually give this to somebody else because as you can see here, I have natural, straight as straight can be hair. I've never had curly hair, unfortunately, even though I always wished I had curly hair. It did not happen for me. So I will give this to one of my friends. And then let's see. We also have this liquid blender cleanser. Okay, it says it's improved formula. So give your favorite sponge a bath with this newly formulated liquid blender cleanser. So for my beauty blender, I have this right here that I can clean it with. So that is really cool that they give me that. I do have one big thing in here I'm kind of saving for last before I show you guys. And then this is a hydrating collagen eye pads. I have never used this before, but I've heard really cool things about it. So I'm really excited to use this. And then this is a blush and bronzer palette. So I will open this up for you guys so y'all can see the colors because I don't know what the colors are either and I would love to know this. So let's open this up. So it's just like a candy, what you call it? It's just like a gum wrapper. It has this right here that you take out. So it's just like a gum wrapper and you open it. Oh wow. And these are the blush and the bronzer, guys. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness, it is so pretty. I am so excited to try all this stuff out. Now, the last thing that is in here that I'm so excited that they sent me because I have been needing a new one and I never buy myself a new one is this eyelash curler. I'm so excited because yeah, you can't tell right from my excitement. Plastic off, look, oh my gosh dudes, look at this. It has this clear thing right here so that it does not mess up. So I'm gonna push this together to take it off. Oh my gosh dudes, this is amazing. I love it. It's all fancy with this all right here and just, you know, to curl your eyelashes. It has the blue thing in here so whenever you're curling them. I'm just super excited for this tool. So let me show you in total everything. And I'm not gonna be able to like to open the bronzer and blush to show y'all right now while I'm curling everything right here, but this is everything I got in my surprise box that I did not know was coming. So needless to say, after getting my first, not just one, but 2 boxes from Birchbox, I will continue on getting this box. So next month, which by the time y'all see this will already probably be May because we're almost in May. So by the time y'all see this, we should be in May already. And that way y'all, I will soon be getting in another Birchbox. After the 13th, I believe is when they get sent in, will mailed out. And that is, I will be excited to go over that with you guys on what I get in that box. I also do have a video, guys, on my Ipsy unboxing, which I will link up here as well. That way you can see that. But overall, getting not just 1 box, but 2 boxes from Birchbox. I am a very happy customer. For only $10 a month, being able to get this stuff is to me just amazing. This is not a sponsored video or anything. This is just my true opinion, how I myself really feel. So if you have made it to the end of the video, thank you very much. I really do appreciate it. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. And also leave a comment down below if you have ever tried Birchbox yourself, or if you haven't and you're thinking about it. Go ahead and leave that down in the comments as well. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. When it gets to the very end, you will see where you can subscribe there, or if you would like, if you just click in the corner down here where it has Texas Mommy, my logo. It will let you subscribe there as well. And also, if you have subscribed, thank you very much. I do love each and every one of y'all that have subscribed to my channel. This is a amazing journey that I'm going on, and I do appreciate every single 31 of y'all that are subscribed to me. If at the time of this video goes up, if there is more, I'm sorry that I don't mention you, but at this time, I'm so excited that I do have 31 of y'all that are watching me and enjoying my videos, and I appreciate every single one of y'all. So hope y'all enjoyed this video, guys. Can't wait to see y'all next time. Have a good day. Bye.